ClearCheck's Collision Check tool provides users with the ability to detect potential issues and identify safe beam angles. Collision Check is compatible with Electron, 3D, IMRT, VMAT, and SRS cone plans. From ClearCheck, click the Linac icon to launch the Collision Check tool, or you can also use the Control-D shortcut. Different gantry, collimator, and couch positions can be evaluated without affecting the actual treatment plan. Collision Check identifies whether or not there are any support structures or bolus in the plan. Collisions can be checked between coplanar static beams to ensure no collisions when moving between treatment angles. Collisions and warnings are color-coded for easy identification, and machine configuration is set up in the administration application. Results can also be sent back and included in the plan report to communicate to therapists and other staff about any closed treatment angles. If you have any questions or are interested in learning more about implementing this feature, reach out to your clinical success manager or contact support@radformation.com.